Hi, and welcome back to part 2 of the handmade beautiful watercolor cards. It's part of the collection, a congratulations card, and I used my own handwriting on this one. I think that turned out very beautiful, a little heart-shaped colorful flowered wreath. And I had a custom logo made so I can stamp the back of my cards and art designs. Alright, and here's the one we were working on earlier today. That green gingham really looks adorable on there. I love it. You can kind of see the shimmer now. See, shimmer, shimmer, shimmer. Alright, and yes, I do believe those blossoms look very similar. Dogwood, cherry blossom, wild rose, impressionistic, coordinating envelopes. Alright, love it. And you should have fun making these. You could use whatever kind of scrap papers, watercolor papers, blank cards. Get creative. Here's the coordinated envelope that goes to this congratulations. I did a little paintbrush splatter on the back of this and the front and added a little flower design. And just have fun. Let me know what you think of it. Like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate you coming by, checking out all my new videos. You guys have a great and fantastic day. And I will see you next time with another fun artistic creation. Bye for now. Thank you.